These are the gorgeously unique looking tech grain leather shockproof and MagSafe cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I was sent these to review from Vertmost, so let me show you a closer look, including how they'll look on orange, white, blue, and black phones. Pop this out, one out. Each of the cases comes with cute little stickers if you want to decorate them, and a 1-year warranty card. So here they are side by side. Look at that material. So cool. Just really, really unique look and feel. Oh my goodness. We've got metallic buttons that match and a metallic frame around your lenses. Just gorgeous. Taking a look inside before we pop them on, you'll see the magnet is covered but integrated in there. You do not see it on the outside, which is really nice. If you don't like that magnetic ring there, no problem. This is a really nice, sleek looking case. A firm TPU bumper. It's softer at the buttons, but everywhere else is really nice and firm. A hard back. Nice and grippy, textured around the frame. Now we're gonna pop them in there. I'm just gonna throw the white and the blue because that was my favorite combo for the blue, personally. Boom, a perfect snug fit. I love that contrast. I'll throw the black one in the orange case because that's super fun too. There we go. Ah, so pretty. Literally, this is the only place you'll see the color of your phone. And down here, just a teeny bit down here. The sides are completely covered. I love the feel. This is a vegan tech leather, not traditional leather. It is so nice. It's not rubbery or tacky or anything, but it's very textured. So it helps it with grip and it's just so unique. The look, the feel, everything. Looking down here, you've got precise cutouts on the speakers to keep that clean. Your ports are open. This one is covered. It's going to function perfectly, but it's nice and covered to keep it clean. Your buttons are nice and clicky, and the same over here. You've got a great 2.5mm camera bezel to protect your lenses, and on the flip side, 1.5mm screen lip to protect your screen the whole way around. They're really protective without adding much bulk, so they keep your phone nice and slim, but really well protected. They are MagSafe, so they're gonna work great with MagSafe accessories such as this magnetic car phone mount, wireless charging, you name it. They are also scratch resistant, just really durable. Amazing. If you're looking for a gorgeous, really unique MagSafe case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, these are amazing. I love them from Vertmost, and I know you will too.